Hello friends, welcome to today's design thinking class, and in this class we will see the benefits of design thinking, which is another important question from second unit design thinking. Design thinking is a methodology used by designers. The methodologies are used to solve very complex problems and find effective and optimized solutions. So for any problem we may have more number of solutions. So from those solutions we need to find the effective and optimized solution for that problem. So by using design thinking we can get these optimized and effective solutions. And design thinking helps to understand the people for whom we are designing the product or services. So we need to see the problem on customer point of view. Hence, the design thinking helps to observe and develop empathy with our customers. And it is a process of questioning. That is, design thinking is a process of questioning. Questioning the problem, questioning assumptions, and questioning the implications. That is, the problem will be converted into a question. If it is a question, then we can easily find answers. That is, more number of answers for this question. From those answers we can easily pick the effective solution for that problem. The most important benefit of design thinking is it is used to solve unknown problem or ill-defined problem. Okay, if the problem is unknown or ill-defined, by using design thinking we can easily get the effective solutions. First, the problem is reframed as per customer-centric way, and then generate ideas, that is more number of ideas to solve these problems, and adopting a practical approach in prototyping and testing those problems. That is, we need to create a model of that solution and then we need to test that prototype by using different testing techniques for that problem. And design thinking is also an iterative and agile process of ongoing experimentations by sketching, prototyping, testing, and trying out concepts and ideas. These are all the important benefits of design thinking. Apart from this, we are having a list of benefits of design thinking here. The first one is generating new ideas with lower risk, and second one is innovative solutions and offerings, and third one is faster pace of learning and happier user and more revenue and more returns. And let us see all these things one by one. The first one is generating new ideas with lower risk. Here the design thinking first focus on generating new ideas for product. The product may be either new product or refined or the redefined product that will actually meet user needs with affordable price. The most popular idea generating techniques are brainstorming and second one is scramble. First let us see the brainstorming. It is a group creative technique by which efforts are made to find a conclusion for a specific problem by generating a list of ideas contributed by a group of members. Here a group of members will give their ideas and they will give the idea by thinking more freely, and they will suggest as many ideas as possible. And the second one is scramble. This is an acronym of action verbs: substitute, combine, adopt, modify, put to another, that is put to another use, eliminate and reverse. And this is another popular idea, well known for its kind of checklist, coming up with ideas either for modification of existing product or for making a new product. And these two are very popular idea generation technique. First one is brainstorming and second one is scramble. So in design thinking also we are going to use these two ideas for generating our new ideas with lower risk. The second one is innovative solutions and offerings. Here the design thinking engages creativity through a truly innovative ideas, and it focuses, that is the design thinking focus on developing prototypes for products to the customers as early as quickly. That is, we are going to generate a model of the original product, and that will be given to the customers as early and quickly, and the end result is the product launched done with more customer come product and market data and with more confidence, and the end result, that is the final result, will be very effective and efficient. So this is called as innovative solutions and offerings. The third one is faster pace of learning. Here the design thinking process is designed to get multiple people from multiple departments plus sponsored users and stakeholders at the same room to generate high quality ideas. After collecting all the high quality ideas, we can develop the prototypes and test those ideas quickly and repeat all those steps again and again until we satisfy the result. That is, until we get the final satisfied result. And this is called as faster pace of learning and solutions. The fourth one is happier user. The design thinking seems to be one of the best tool for actually improving communication between the company leaders and actual users. And when you actually listen to users and give them input about what you are building, then they are happier with the end result. Hence, it is important to improve the communication between the company leaders and the actual product users. Okay, and this type of communication goes up, amazing innovation can emerge. This is called as happier user. And the last one is more revenue and more returns. When we implement the design thinking approach to business, there can be significant financial and measurable outcome that result from a consistent, that is, a recent study, that is McKinsey study, identifies a significant financial benefit of a human-centered design approach that gives 32% more revenue and 56% higher total returns. Hence, when we implement design thinking approach, we can get more revenue and more returns. Up to this, we have seen the benefits of design thinking, that is general benefit of design thinking. After that, we have seen the benefits of generating new ideas with lower risk, innovative solutions and offerings, fast pace of learning, happier user, more returns and more revenue. So these are another benefits of design thinking. For more information, please go through your textbook, and thank you.